Have you ever hit send on an email and immediately wished you could take it back? Maybe you forgot an attachment or sent it to the wrong person. Today, I'm going to show you how to unsend an email in Outlook, quickly and easily. First, log into your Outlook account. Make sure you're connected to the internet so everything runs smoothly. Once you're in your mailbox, head to the settings menu, the little gear icon usually in the top right corner. Click it and select mail from the drop-down. Now look for compose and reply. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find the undo send option. Here, you can set a delay for your outgoing emails. Think of it as a grace period after hitting send. You can choose anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds, depending on how much time you need to catch a mistake. It's important to note that Outlook doesn't truly unsend an email. It holds it for that short delay, giving you a chance to recall or edit it before it reaches your recipient. Once you set your preferred delay, hit save, and you're good to go. From now on, if you accidentally send an email too soon, you can act fast within your set time to undo it. It's a small setting change that can save a lot of stress and embarrassment. So, take control of your emails, avoid those awkward oops moments, and email with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.